How many times do I have to tell you? Share the game with your little brother or else you're grounded. Fine, come over here, kid. Ha, that's what I thought. Dad always comes in clutch. So, what are we playing then? Just some shooter game. Here, I actually have a spare controller for you. Bro, this controller's completely destroyed. Let me just use one of your good controllers over there. No, I don't want you touching them with your nasty hands. That one works good enough. That's not fair. The aim button doesn't even work. Oh, come on. The crouch button doesn't work either. You know what? I'm done playing with you. Hey, what's going on over here? He gave me a broken controller. Oh, really? Greg, as punishment, I'm giving all your controllers to your little brother. And you'll only get it back if everyone watching likes and subscribes.